morning, everyone. My name is Beisha Joe. My story is about monkey puzzle. Where is my mommy? Where is my mommy? Where are you? Where are you? I lost my mommy. I lost my mommy. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you? Then I see your mom. Come, little monkey. Come, come, come. No, that's an elephant. My mom isn't a great gray hunk. She hasn't got tusk or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick baggy knees. And anyway, her tail curls round trees. She curls round trees unless she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, that's a snake. My mom doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl around a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mom's got more legs. Is that what you're looking for now, you say? Then I know where she is and come this way. No, that's a spider. My mom isn't hairy, black, and fat. She's not got so much leg and legs. She's rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in a treetop way up high. She lives in the trees. You should have said your mommy's hide in above your head. No, that's a fact. Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mom doesn't sleep the whole day long, and I told you she got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly so small. Your mom's not little. Now let me think. She's down by the river, has a drink. No, that's the elephant again. Butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures looks like me. You never told me she looks like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know I couldn't. You see, none of my babies looks like me. So it looks like you. Well, that's the case. We'll soon discover her hiding place. Yes. There's my mom sitting under the tree. She is a monkey, just like me. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Beisha.
Thank you, Beisha. Our number 9 contestant is Victoria, who will be telling the story, The Monkey Puzzle.